and welcome to Chop Chat Cook. Today I'm here with Sherri and Jodi of So Cake Toowoomba. So we're up in Toowoomba today and we're going to be talking to these two ladies about childcare options because between them they run a small business and they have 5 children.
Yeah, we've both got kids at different ages and that, so I think childcare has always been a cost in there we've had to factor in. I think one year there I did 3 days a week of childcare I paid for my Eva and Mitch, and it was like $24,000 for the year. I've been thinking about an au pair for next year.
But definitely that was one of the hardest things was that cost of paying for childcare back then. Yeah, it was quite prohibitive.
Yeah.
Yeah.